Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the important topic of plant pathology is plant quarantine regulations. So there are three types of plant quarantine regulation. First is domestic quarantine, second is foreign quarantine, and third is total embargoes. So let's start this topic. So plant quarantine definition. So plant quarantine regulation. Plant quarantine is defined as a legal restriction on the movement of agricultural commodities for the purpose of exclusion, prevention, or delaying the spread of the plant pest and diseases in the unaffected areas. Plant quarantine firstly started in France 1960. So plant quarantine laws were first enacted in France 1660, followed by Denmark 1903 and USA 1912. These rules were aimed at the rapid destruction or eradication of Barbary buzz, which is an alternate host of Puccinia graminis stitici. But in India, plant quarantine rules and regulation were issued under Destructive Insect and Pest Act (DIPA) in 1914. In India, 16 plant quarantine stations are in operation by the Directorate of Plant Protection and Quarantine located at Faridabad under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, Government of India. So plant quarantine measures are of three types. First is domestic quarantines, second is foreign quarantine, and third in total embargoes, the total restriction on import and export of agricultural commodities. So first is domestic quarantine. So domestic quarantine is rules and regulations issued prohibiting the movement of insects and diseases and their host from one state to another state in India is called domestic quarantine. Domestic quarantine in India exists for two pests, rooted scale and St. George scale, and three diseases, bunchy top of banana, banana mosaic, and white top potato. So bunchy top of banana. Bunchy top banana it is present in Kerala, Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, and Odisha. Transport of any part of Musa species excluding the fruit is prohibited from these states to other states in India. Banana mosaic. Banana mosaic it is present in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Transport of any part of Musa species excluding the fruit is prohibited from this state to other states in India. White of potato. White of potato it is endemic in Darjeeling areas of West Bengal. Therefore, seed tubers are not to be imported from West Bengal to other states. Number 2 is foreign quarantine. Foreign quarantine rules and regulations issued prohibiting the imports of plants, plant materials, insects, and fungi into India from foreign countries by air, sea, and land. Foreign quarantine rules may be general or specific. General rules aim at prevention of introduction of pests and diseases into a country, whereas the specific rules aim at specific diseases and insect pests. So the plant materials are to be imported only through the prescribed ports of entry. First is airport. So it is in Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, New Delhi, and Tiruchirappalli. Number 2 is seaports. Seaports in Bombay, Calcutta, Visakhapatnam Port, Trivandrum, Madras, Tuticorin, Cochin, and Dhanushkoti. Third is land frontiers. So Husseinwala, it is the Firozpur district of Punjab. Karla, it is the Amritsar district of Punjab, and Sukhia Pokri, Darjeeling district of West Bengal. So these are the ports. There are three types of ports. Phytosanitary certificate. So phytosanitary certificate, it is an official certificate from the country of origin which should accompany the consignment without which the material may be refused from entry. So phytosanitary certificate is issued by the origin of the country from where we are importing some material. So this is the list of introduced diseases. So first is lead blight of potato in 1883, introduced in India from Europe. Second is coffee rust in year 1879, introduced in India from Sri Lanka. Third is downy mildew of grapes, year in 1910, introduced into India from Europe. Number fourth is phlegmism of wheat, year in 1906, introduced into India from Australia. Number fifth, bacterial blight of rice, introduced in 1964 in India from Philippines. Rice blast 1918, introduced into India from Southeast Asia. Bunchit of banana, year 1940, introduced into India from Sri Lanka. And eighth is golden cyst nematodes is Rotoda rostochinensis of potato in year 1961, introduced into India from Europe. So these are the some important diseases which has been introduced from different countries in India. And there are many other diseases we will discuss in next videos. So thank you for watching this important video. Please like our video, share our video and subscribe our video and press the bell icon for the next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel.